Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you really want to become a good web developer or you just want to know how to code, if you have issues learning how to code, maybe from the fact that you can't afford to pay online or to pay for physical classes for coding and for web development and app development and all of that. My next series of videos I'm going to be posting on this channel will address that. So if you want to learn how to code, if you want to know how to code, there are two options. First off, I will show you how you can go about it yourself, free of charge. You don't have to pay any money, but you just have to do everything yourself, and it's quite easy and accessible anytime, any day, right? And the other part is you can follow my videos, everything I'm going to be posting, everything I'm going to be uploading as regard this topic. All right. So before we go ahead, please be so kind to like and comment below and subscribe for more videos. Okay. All right. So if you want to do this yourself, you want to learn how to code yourself without the aid of anybody at all, here's one or two things you can do. There's so many apps out there that are not really, you know, free. So first of all, I will show you an app and I'll show you a site where you can get started. So if you have your phone, this app works for both Android and iOS devices. All right, so I'll just pull up my phone right away. All right, so here's what you do. First of all, I'm on an iOS device, so I'll go to my App Store. You can also check for it on your Play Store on Android device, and I look for this app Mimo. All right, Mimo. Here it's downloaded already on my phone, so I'll just go ahead and open it. All right, you might have to fill in a little bit of details, but after you do that, here's what the inside of the app looks like. Intro to web development, and you are good to go, right? You can also go through your browser, and for a website you can check for W3 schools, right? So if you want to learn HTML, JavaScript or Python, so let's say we are going for HTML, for example. You see it here. So once you click, you see it's as easy as that. It has a whole lot of languages here: Python, Java, PHP, and all of that. And so here are the lectures that come free of charge. You can take them one after the other. Although I would advise a Mimo app. Otherwise, if you really want to pull through with this and be guided as you go through with it, what I would advise that you do is what I would advise that you do is don't worry. Like I said, like, comment below, and subscribe so that you can keep getting all the videos I'm going to be posting. All right, I'm just